And from there I went down to Florida. And interestingly enough, I got to spend a couple of days visiting with my ex-husband. One of them. I have several. So I got to spend a couple of days visiting with my ex. Now, some people would say, look at my husband and go, what are you thinking? But Bob had my entire itinerary before I left. He knew exactly where I was going, exactly who I was going to visit. He had it on his calendar. So he knew where I was, and he knew what I was, what I was doing. And, but I got to visit my last ex-husband, my third husband. Yeah, I've had that many. No, I don't look that old, do I? But yeah, I've had that many. And so I got to visit with him, and he and I remained good friends, even after the divorce, surprisingly enough. And so he works from home. He's an engineer for HP. Well, he was working one day. I was sitting and practicing in another room, and he came into the room behind me, and I didn't realize he was there while I was playing. And I was playing this song in particular, and he said, that song is us. He said, that song epitomizes you and I after all these years. And I'm like, perfect. So this is a beautiful song that Pam Tillis did called The River and the Highway. She follows the path of least resistance. She doesn't care to see the mountain top. She twists and turns with no regard for distance. She never comes to a stop. And she rolls, she's a river. Where she goes, time will tell. Heaven knows he can't go with her. And she rolls all by herself, all by herself. He's headed for a single destination. He doesn't care what's standing in his path. He's a line between 2 points of separation. He ends just where it says to on the map. And he rolls, he's a highway. Where he goes, time will tell. Heaven knows she can't go with him. And he rolls all by himself, all by himself. And every now and then he offers her a shoulder, and every now and then she overflows, and every now and then a bridge crosses over. It's a moment that every lover knows. And she rolls, she's a river. Where he goes, time will tell. Heaven knows she can't go with him. And she rolls all by herself. And he rolls all by himself. Fare thee well.